Hello, little learners, and welcome back to the lab. Today we are diving deep into the big blue sea to meet some gentle sea giants, whales, dolphins, and seals. Question 1. I leap high out of the sea and love to play. I talk to my friends with clicks and whistles. I swim in a group called a pod and have a long, smiley nose. Is it the fish, the dolphin, or the turtle? It's the dolphin. A dolphin sleeps with one half of its brain awake so it never forgets to breathe. Question 2. I like to rest on cold rocks and sandy beaches. I have long whiskers and big, round eyes. I wriggle along on my tummy, like a caterpillar, to shuffle down to the sea. Is it the seal, the crab, or the duck? It's the seal. Some seals can hold their breath underwater for more than an hour. Question 3. I am so big that even a bus looks small next to me. I eat millions of tiny sea creatures called krill. I am the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth. Is it the shark, the elephant, or the blue whale? It's the blue whale. A blue whale is bigger than any dinosaur that ever lived. Question 4. I am big and gentle, and I love to sing to my friends far out at sea. My song can last for many minutes and travel far through the sea. I leap up and splash back down with my long, bumpy flippers. Is it the octopus, the humpback whale, or the penguin? It's the humpback whale. Male humpback whales sing long songs that other whales can hear from far away. Question 5. I bark loudly, a little like a dog at the seaside. I can balance and clap my flippers. I walk on land by tucking my back flippers under my body. Is it the sea lion, the penguin, or the frog? It's the sea lion. A sea lion can turn its back flippers forwards to walk and even run on land. Question 6. I am black and white and stay with my family all my life. I am a very clever swimmer who talks in clicks and calls. I look just like a whale, but I am really the largest kind of dolphin. Is it the panda, the zebra, or the orca? It's the orca. An orca looks like a whale but is really the biggest dolphin of all. Brilliant work, little learners, you are true ocean explorers. Keep being curious, and we will see you next time at the lab.